Okay, Titrimetric methods. Objectives to explain principle and equipments of titrimetric methods of analysis. First of all, titrimetric analysis. Quantitative chemical analysis carried out by determining the volume of solution of accuracy known concentration, which is required to react quantitatively with a measured volume of the substance to be determined. Volumetric analysis versus titration. Volumetric analysis is a practical technique whereby one uses reacting volumes to analyze and calculate a variety of unknown values. Titration. Titration is a practical technique used to determine the concentration of an unknown solution. Determines several different unknown values regarding the analyte. Determine concentration of unknown component in a solution. General principle of titration. In a titration, the test substance analyte of unknown concentration reacted with a reagent of exact known concentration titrant standard solution. In a titration, the test substance analyte of a known concentration is reacted with a reagent of an exact known concentration titrant standard solution. This reagent is also known as primary standard reagent and is prepared in the lab. This reagent is usually added from the burette, whereas the analyte is placed in a conical flask. See this figure, burette, conical flask. Burette containing acid, clamp, known volume of alkali containing a few drops of indicator.